I'm gonna open another one.
What do you got to say about that?
Yo, what's up, shoppies? It's the Shopking here. Time for 30 days of Shopkins Palooza. And today we have a couple blind baskets from season 5. And we have our fashion spree blind basket. Where's all of my fashion spree? And boom. Alright. We've got a lot of fashion spree. And we still have 11 more baskets to open up. Nice! Nice. Got the tiara. Pretty sure I needed that one. I can't remember. Yeah, I got the blue one, so I needed that one. Cool. Okay, and our other blind bag. I can't remember if I have this one or not. Duplicate. So this is one that I'll be giving away. We always give away our duplicates. Alright, let's do season 5. Hillary Hart. And Dennis Bat. Okay, my other 5-pack. 5-pack? Is this a 5-pack? No, it's a 2-pack. Can you tell what that is? Can you tell me why these bags are different colors? Because I can't. Alright, this one is Snorky. Who made this mess? Jeez. Alright, what's in here? We got Jane Frame. I'm not happy. I'm gonna open another one.
What do you got to say about that?
Nothing. That's what. I do what I wanna. Come on. Cute fruit jello. She's a cutie. Royal cupcake. I like this one. I think I'm probably gonna do a custom of this one day. Alright, there you have it. You know what? I'm not happy. Let me do another one. We got tiny tissues. Ooh, we got a charm. Cupcake chic. Okay, I'm gonna stop now before I go crazy and just open up all of my baskets, and I won't be able to make any more videos because I won't have any more Shopkins. So that is all for now. Make sure you tune in tomorrow, see what we open up then. What are we gonna get? Will we finally get a limited edition? I hope so. Click the thumbs up, post a comment, share this video. Make sure you have subscribed to Shopking, and we'll see you on the next one.